Y'all, I am embarrassed. Do you hear the beautiful music? And you know, we always talk about like having your life be a living sacrifice, but are you really using your body as a tool to serve the Lord and to follow his instruction? Or do you give in to your flesh? I know. It's the best I could do. Oh, Lord, give me strength for today. I prayed twice already. But I need supernatural strength and endurance. And I need to remain planted and in good spirits. And positive. I don't care that my paws are wet, Mommy. I'm gonna get you all dirty this morning. Aren't you? So Chloe's at this new fancy groomer because she shows out. And so she was kind of officially banned from the last one because she was being a bad girl. So yeah, we had to find a new place. And it's very fancy and sophisticated and expensive. And I just want to know why it costs more for her to get her hair done than it costs for me. So this will be the last time she gets her hair done professionally. Because next time I'll be doing it, I'll be buying some clippers for Christmas. I'm sorry, I can't. But anyway, so yeah, this will be Chloe's last time getting groomed professionally because it's $85. And I don't understand why it's so expensive. So yeah, if you groom your dog at home, leave down below what clippers you use. I figured I do my hair at home and I do a great job, so my skills are good enough for Chloe. So, you ready to go get a groom? You ready to go get groomed? No? Why are you yelling at me? What did I do? Any last words for the people? Don't be sad. You're gonna be fine. Oh, you're gonna be fine, babe. Okay. Can you stop pressing stuff in the car? Does anybody want a Shih Tzu? She's cute, but she doesn't listen. She's a baby. She's a teeny bit bad, but we won't go there. Well, we'll see you when you look beautiful, baby. Yeah. You hear the beautiful music in the background? And do you see what she just did? Oh, you're embarrassing me. Chloe? Okay. See you guys later. Yes. That was so embarrassing. She peed. She pooped in the parking lot. I'm starting to think having a child would be easier. And Lord knows, that's not what I want for my life. So the groomers just called me. Hey, we just want to give you an update on your baby. They got done doing her bath, and they cut her back, but as soon as they got to her front paws, her chest, and her face, and her nails, she started becoming aggressive. They were like, yeah, you know, she was fine when we don't have the clippers on. She's giving us kisses and she's nice. I'm like, Jesus be a fence. Jesus be a Xanax for Chloe. What do you have to say for yourself? Y'all, I am embarrassed. How do you get a haircut and you still look? Was so good, I almost fell asleep. I'm exhausted. But I feel great. What we just spoke about, but I think what resonated with me when I read Romans 6:13, it talked about no part of your body becoming an instrument for sin. And so then when I looked up instrument, it's described as a tool intended for a specific work or purpose. And I just thought that was an interesting way of thinking about my own life, or just the life of anyone. Like, number one, who's controlling you as this specific instrument? And, you know, we always talk about like having your life be a living sacrifice, but are you really using your body as a tool to serve the Lord and to follow his instruction, or do you give in to your flesh? So That was just interesting. And just once again, because we have a choice in this, you can choose to allow yourself and your body to be used for sin, or you can choose to follow Christ. So I just found that interesting. So
the point, right? What's the driving force? What's driving you? Is the Holy Spirit or is it your flesh? All right, so it's options. Are you serving God? Is he your father, or is the devil your father, right?
Yeah.
So if you're yielding to the Holy Spirit and you're yielding your house to God, then you're an instrument of righteousness.
Hey guys, just wanted to end out the vlog. I'm sorry today's vlog is a little shorter, but it was just, I don't know. I'm just tired and I don't want to overextend myself, but I promise there are some longer, more interesting vlogs coming. I hope you guys still enjoyed today's vlog, though we didn't do a ton of fun stuff. But I love you guys so much for watching. Thank you for hanging with me this year. Thank y'all for just being so kind and thoughtful, and just, I'm really thankful because you all always pour into me, and you may not necessarily know it, but there are lots of YouTubers that don't respond to their comments. And I know this because I am not only on YouTube, but I watch a lot of YouTube. And before I started my channel, I always said I wanted to pride myself on replying back to everybody. Now, obviously, sometimes I will miss a comment, but I appreciate you guys, and y'all are human just like me. And like I always say, I'm no more special than any of you just because I have a channel. So I just want y'all to know that I always appreciate you all for commenting and just being so nice and thoughtful and just hanging with me. Like, I really appreciate it. So thank you guys so much. We will have more fun tomorrow, I promise. But yeah, I'm just exhausted. So I'm gonna get some sleep and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.